Benvenuti. So welcome all you pizzaiolos. We have a special treat for you today. We have DeIorios dough ball. So this basically is something you can purchase at the store, thaw in your refrigerator the night before, preheat your oven to 425, maybe 450 for this particular dough. And now you can be the big shot. Take all the hard work out, bring home a beautiful dough ball, and then you can make a pizza. So today we're gonna make a bianco. We're gonna take our dough ball and we're gonna use some flour. In this particular one, we are gonna cook this on a pizza brick because I figure if you're using a dough ball, you probably have a pizza brick at your oven as well. So to add a little bit of texture, we're gonna add a little bit of cornmeal on our peel, along with some more flour. We're gonna take our dough ball, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna put it on a floured surface. We add a little bit of flour. We're gonna turn it. Then we're gonna take our fingers and we're gonna go all the way down and up. Turn, all the way down and up as well. So now you wanna slap it a little bit. We're gonna put it on our hands. We're gonna spread it, we're gonna turn. And we're basically just working from the middle out. And we're gonna make our dough, probably around 13 inches round. And again, this could be as thick as you'd like it or as thin as you'd like it. So once you have the proper size that you like, we're gonna gently place it right on our peel. Adjust it. And now we're gonna add our magic. We're gonna add some fresh wet mozzarella. And we're gonna add a little bit along our edge first. Now this cheese is full of flavor and moisture, so you don't need as much as you think. So just like that will be perfect. Now we're gonna take extra virgin olive oil, some fresh garlic, a little bit of black pepper, and we're gonna drizzle right over our pizza for an extra flavor. This will make all your neighbors jealous once they smell this. We're gonna add some fresh spinach. We're gonna add some cherry tomatoes that we sliced in half. This will give it a nice color and some more flavor. Now we have this beautiful centerpiece that we're gonna put right in the middle of the pizza of our cherry tomatoes. We have some wonderful Parmigiana cheese that we're gonna put in as well. We're gonna hit it one more time with a little bit of oil, and then we are ready to go into the oven. And gently place your pizza right on your stove. Now we check the oven to see if it's all set. Look at that. Ma come si bello. You can just hear the crispness of the dough. It's beautiful. All right. A few things to finish our little masterpiece. Some fresh basil. Some Parmigiano Reggiano. And of course, a little bit of oil, extra virgin. Bello. All right, and then cut into it. That's beautiful. You can hear the cornmeal. It's perfect crust. That's amore. Remember, fresh is always better.